About friendship. I like friends. It's good to have friends. But I remember one thing. God has sent me here to make difference and not just make friends. So I prefer to make a difference to somebody's life than to see how many friends I have. Okay, so I rather make difference than to make friends. I prefer, even if there are people who become fans and who say, no, Dave, you changed my life and I am who I am because of you. I would rather prefer that. At the same time, I'm not here saying that don't make friends or don't have friends. But my first priority, I'm very, very clear that I'm here to make a difference. And I want to, when I'm gone, people should not just say that, oh, Dave was a good friend to me. I want people to say, you know what, Dave has made a difference in my life. And that's what I love him. Even if they're not my friend, they're just a follower or a fan, or they read my work, read my book, or followed my work somewhere. That is what drives me. Okay? So, again, along the way, would I not make friends? Absolutely, I will make friends. But my priority is very clear. I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to make a difference to their lives. And eventually, if I'm making difference to their lives, I'm sure they will become my friends. Yeah? So, don't be hard on yourself.